guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a different kind of video for you guys. I'm going to do what I eat in a day. About 1.5 years ago I stopped eating meat, and that is just because my doctor recommended that I take meat out of my diet because I was getting really sick, my skin was breaking out. It was just like a whole bunch of stuff going on. Anyways, so I am a pescatarian. That means I only eat like seafood with fruits and vegetables, no red meat, no chicken, no pork, and none of that. So I am also trying to gain weight. So this is definitely more than what I eat normally, because I'm more of like small portions, but I eat frequently. But now I'm trying to like eat more, exercise, and seeing if like I can find a combination for me to gain weight. Also, I don't eat breakfast, and that might be a big thing, but when I eat breakfast I just feel sick and just slow throughout the day. So when it comes to breakfast, I usually just have tea or a slice of bread or like a half a bagel or something like that, and this morning I just had tea. That was it. So we're gonna start off with lunch, so I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much longer. Let's get started, and please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So this is what I'm having for lunch. So basically it is just the salmon burger with the black bean burger. This is the Cheesecake Factory bread. I'm sure you can buy it in your local grocery store, and they sell it in like the loaf, the bread, or like these mini rolls. And then also I'm just having broccoli and then pear. Yeah, and that's it. And then I'm also going to have cranberry water, and that's about it. So guys, it's been like an hour since I ate. So currently it is 1:36. So now I'm just gonna have a snack, and don't mind my curler. This side curled really well and I have to film a video, and yeah. So I'm just gonna have a granola cups. They're really good. It has almond butter on like a little cookie, and then I'm gonna have my cranberry water, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it. It's super easy, and I'm trying to drink more water, so I don't really like water, so I add like a little bit of cranberry. Okay, so we have water and cranberry. I already drank one of these, so that's why I'm not drinking that much more. So yeah, so water and ice, and then I take a little bit of cranberry and grape. This is Langer's, and I don't really like grape juice, but this actually tastes pretty good. And then I just put a little bit on there, not a lot, and then I just put this on there. And that's pretty much it. It just kind of, if you don't like water, it cuts away the taste a little bit. It makes it easier to drink it. So that's what I've been drinking. And I'm also gonna eat the rest of my mango. I ate like a piece last night. But I'm just gonna have the other half. Just the mango, and then the granola, and then the water. So I'm going to eat this, then film a video, and then by that time, because I'm filming 3 videos, by that time I might be able to finish the videos within an hour, because I'm gonna try and edit a video as well. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit for the next meal. Guys, so now I am in bed. I am eating some mango sherbet with a little bit of coconut ice cream. I like it a little bit melted, so I wait a little bit until it melts. I'm also watching Bad Boys. I absolutely love this movie. It does not get old.
Girl, you look like a luxury goddess. So much perfection without flaws. I would like to see you without your jaws. Your booty a bounce with a melody. All the even the kids have to sing along. Now, girl, you want to what? Now, girl, give me wrong. Sorry.
Guys, so I just got home. I'm about to eat dinner. I was editing and then I was like, oh, it's getting super late, let me eat dinner. So I'm not super hungry. This is what I'm having for dinner, and then I am going to drink some water and then go to bed. So guys, this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm just having a Gardein chicken burger, which is all vegetarian. There's no meat. It's just like made with oats and everything. And then this is a mango and avocado salad, and then some fried dumpling because I'm trying to gain a little bit of weight. So this is what I'm having for dinner.